Okay, here on Kauai, I found the visitor center, but it's closed because it's Sunday. But it looks really interesting. Hey guys, I just rented this car on the side of the road on Kauai, right as we got off the cruise ship. If we went down like 2 blocks, some rental car place has all these cars lined up with a sign and a lockbox. So hey, 50 bucks. What do you want? Awesome. So Kauai, I'm gonna pick up Ross at noon from his river. But I was driving to the beach. And looky, all this fun stuff here. This is a park, actually. And it's right at the base of this hotel, which I will show you in just a second. From the ship. Okay.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the right.
I'm at the Waterloo Bay Creators Fair at the Hilton Garden Inn in Kauai. This is the Hilton here. The only thing that I bought at the craft fair was really not much. Was these freshly made donuts. Really cute. So I'm just going to go into the hotel here and just check it out. All right, after renting the car and driving around, I found this beautiful Opeka Falls. And there's 3 or 4 waterfalls here on this island of Kauai. Yeah, look how gorgeous. So we are not allowed to go down or hike down. They've had too many injuries, rescues, and they've had people who have passed on trying, so they outlawed it. So, which is sad. It'd be really cool to get down there, but yeah, no can do. So it kind of takes the fun out of it. But we're here and we rented a car, so isn't it gorgeous? Cheryl's Adventures here. Look at this cute little road I found. I kind of drove through town. I don't know where I am. Really cute little community here, guys. And I'm trying to find this kind of secluded beach, and I think I just might have found a place to park up here. Oh, this is beautiful. I knew there was beach access, like more private somewhere. This is really cool. Oh my gosh. Yes. Watch out, chicken crossing. Chickens. You see the chickens? They're everywhere on the island. Oh, this is so cool, guys. It's just like your private little paradise. And it's even got a picnic bench. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. Oh wow. Private little beach here. Wow. All right, let's check it out. Bought these at the fair, taking a little break, having a little soda. We got some friends joining us. They probably think I'm going to feed them. There's some over here. There's some over here. Chicken crossing. Private little beach here. Amazing. There's no one here. Well, no, I can't say that. There's just locals here. And some guy's laughing at me because the chickens are coming over. Oh my God, you guys. It is just stunning. Alright guys, this is Fiji Beach. I just looked it up. So, comes with picnic tables, chickens, roosters, and this scenery. And kind of have the whole beach to yourself. Very, very local. Gorgeous. I don't see any dolphins. No sea turtles over here. It is gorgeous. I'm gonna go jump in.
outstanding 8. Unfortunately, because of the harbor restrictions where we must leave before sunset, we have to leave those 8 temporarily behind. So we have one of our tenders already in the water and going over to a loading dock, a position to stand by. We will leave the harbor, and then once we're clear of the harbor, then we will bring the tender back with the last 8 guests. After that, we will make our way best speed to Kona. I won't be able to tell you with absolute certainty whether we'll be late or not. It all depends on how long this operation will last. We've organized it quite well, I believe, so there will be a minimum delay. We'll do it as quickly and as safely as we can.
All right.
So once it's been completed, then I'll be able to tell you about tomorrow, and hopefully we can still make it on time. Never a dull moment. It's all part of your Hawaiian adventure. So in a couple of minutes' time, we'll let go all of our lines and we'll make our way out of the harbor. That's the situation.
Thank you.
Thank you for your understanding and patience. Have a nice evening, and I will update you later on about Kona.
In the dark. So we have to leave by 6:05. We're missing stuff, so all right, we'll see you in a few. All right, so here's our little tugger boat. We are out of the harbor, the port here. Now we're turning around because this is the front of the boat and this is the back of the boat. So the little tugger is gonna help us, and it's pretty dark, so we just undocked just in time. So we're gonna go out to open sea and anchor, and then hopefully our 8 people will be on shortly and we'll be off to Kona. All right, thank you, tugboat.